It's Restoration Monday.
What up, guys? It's your boy, Dr. Falcon. It's a brand new day, guys, and today I welcome you to another edition on Restoration Monday. Yeah, guys, life is full of challenges, undeniable facts, and sometimes the odds can seem stacked against us. It can be tempting to give up when things get tough, but remember that you have the power to overcome any obstacle and beat the odds. Think of all the successful people who faced incredible odds and still achieved their dreams. The likes of Oprah Winfrey, J.K. Rowling, and Steve Jobs are just a few examples of people who faced rejection, failure, and setbacks but up on their goals because they knew what they wanted. The key to beating the odds is to stay focused on your vision and never lose sight of what you want to achieve. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of the journey, and they can be opportunities to learn and grow. Instead of letting setbacks discourage you, use them as motivation to work harder and smarter. When the odds seem overwhelming, take a deep breath and remind yourself that you are capable of achieving great things. Keep pushing forward, stay positive, and never give up on your dreams. In the end, the satisfaction of beating the odds and achieving your goals will be all the sweeter because of the challenges you face along the way. So go ahead, take that leap of faith and beat the odds, because once you're able to beat the odds, it will help you continue to beat the odds again and again and again